Hi, my name's Adam. Today we're going to be using some Milwaukee tools to carry out a fence repair. Before we get into the fence repair, I'm going to clear this fallen willow using the M18 Hatchet. I'm using the hatchet today. It's a super handy tool. Its compact size means it's always in the back of the truck, and at 5 meters per second chain speed, I don't need to wear the full chainsaw PPE to keep the job moving on fast. Now I'm going to remove the old fencing staples with the Milwaukee fencing pliers. The strainers are in, so now I'm going to prepare the mortises for the struts. I'm going to use this, the 7/16 high torque impact wrench. This tool is perfect for this application. The fact that it has the impact function and the super high torque makes it very safe to use, even if wanting to work one-handed. The next step in this fence repair is to cut and install the strut. For convenience, I'm going to use the hatchet for making the cuts and then fine tune with the M18 planer. All the posts are now in, so it's time to secure the netting. For that, I'm going to use the M18 Fencing Stapler. It's very easy to load the staples. Depth setting is adjusted on the side, and you have a clean line of sight down through the nose cone for accurate staple placement. You'll notice there's no ramp up time between shots. To get this fence up to regulation height, I'm going to have to repair this top wire. I'm going to use the M18 crimper. It's not really marketed at fences, but it's great for this application. We've now got the fence repair complete and used a full range of Milwaukee tools. I choose to use the M18 battery platform because it gives me the power and runtime that I need to get the job done in rural locations. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Milwaukee content.